Okay guys, this is a 2015 Ford F-350 Platinum Edition. It's got the 6.7 liter diesel. This is a rebuilt title, did have front end damage. That's why we're walking around, taking a look at it. You can see that everything's there as it should. Another thing we do is the Blue Star inspections, which you can see up here. We got the sticker. It's been through our Blue Star inspection, so go there. It is a third-party inspection that does a 200-point inspection. They test drive it, walk around it, take pictures underneath the vehicle so you can see underneath of the vehicle. Gives you a lot of information, really good information. This does have the step, it looks like. Looks like it's got a fifth wheel prep back there. Platinum seats here. Looks like that locked or something there. Just have your code here. Here's the VIN. Does have the sunroof. Let's start this thing out for you. This has 63,000 miles on it. No lights on the dash. Your steering wheel controls. All your power windows, power locks. It does have power folding mirrors. If you see, those are folding in. Exhaust brake here. Four-wheel drive. It's got the FX4 locking differential. All your auxiliaries, your heated, cooled seats. Navigation, your garage door opener, of course that big sunroof. It's a 2015 F-350 Diesel Platinum, presented to you by TJ Chapman Auto.